guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to turn your gray hair to dark, okay, those white hair to black. Alright, so if you're new to my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. So this natural remedy is very effective, but you have to follow it just the way I'm gonna be showing you, and your result is going to be very visible. Okay, so thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me walk you through into this video. Okay guys, to get rid of bald hair and to repair your split end, you're gonna be needing fenugreek seed. Now the fenugreek seed is actually very perfect for the hair and for the skin. It helps to grow your hair. It's actually like this, but how we're gonna be getting to use this is that we're going to be blending it. Okay, so let me go blend this and I'll be back. Alright, so this is blended, okay, and it's great for use. And then the next ingredients we're going to be needing to use for this is green tea. Now you have to use this particular green tea, okay, because it contains a remedy that helps to grow back your bald hair. Alright, it is very good for the skin also, because it helps to increase the skin elasticity. Yeah, so what you're going to do is that you're going to open this green tea. Just like this. And then you're going to pour it into this fenugreek seed. After you've poured that in, and then you try to mix it all together. And this is how it looks like. Okay, so the next ingredient we're going to be making use of is egg, and in this we're going to be making use of both the egg white and the egg yolk, because it helps to trigger hair growth. So it's going to help to prevent split ends, and it's going to also help to make your hair really thick. Yeah, egg is actually very good for the hair. So we're going to bring in back our treatment, and then we're going to break in the egg, all of the egg, into this treatment. Now after that is done, the mixing has to be done properly, okay, for this ingredient to work really fine. The mixing has to be properly done. So I'm going to first of all get my manual mixer and mix this really well. Alright. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Alright. And then we're going to be making use of coconut oil. Alright, coconut oil is actually very good for the hair. That is why it is used mostly in natural ingredients like this to achieve a more glowing and a youthful skin. And it also helps to prevent split ends, and it also helps for bald hair. It grows back the bald hair. So we're going to be needing just a little of this coconut oil. About 1 teaspoon of the coconut oil is perfect for this ingredient. So after putting the coconut oil, you must make sure that it mixes with the rest of the ingredients, and then we will now be bringing in the last ingredient, which is beetroot. Okay, Okay, beetroot is actually very perfect for the skin. We actually do not need to use the beetroot leaf. That's why we're actually cutting it off. Yeah, but in some of the ingredients or treatments, it is perfect that we use the leaf. Okay, like using it for the skin. But in this remedy, it's actually going to help in growing back your bald hair points and also stopping split ends and making your hair really full. So after peeling it up just like I'm doing right now, I'll have to be cutting the points in which I peeled, and then we're going to be blending it. I'm actually going to be creating this since my blender is not reachable right now. Okay, so after creating the beetroot, then we're going to be putting in just a little bit of water so we can actually get the juice, because beetroot does not have too much of juice. So we would have to put water and extract the juice from it. Alright, so this is how it looks like, and now we would have to be putting in the beetroot. So after putting the beetroot, the treatment is ready to be used. Okay, so to apply this, you're gonna be applying it to your edges. So you just dip your hands like this, then enough of it will follow your hands, and then you're going to apply it to your edges, and then you're also going to apply it to your scalp, your hair scalp, really well. You apply a whole lot of it into your scalp, just like that. Now for this particular ingredient, you don't need to leave it, you don't need to make it and leave it, because of the egg, it's gonna go bad. So you just buy the ingredients and then you keep it and make it a little, and then you apply. The next day you just put everything together, blend it all up, put a little bit of put one or half of that egg, and then your ingredients is set to be used, and then you are good to go. Okay, so you apply this in this direction, and that's perfect. Okay, so apply this almost every day or 3 times in a week. It's going to help you to grow back your bald hair, and it's going to help to stop split ends, and it's also going to be helpful for your scalp because it's going to remove dandruff, and you're going to be having an healthy, clean scalp. That's it, guys. That's how you're going to mix it. You keep it and then you apply it, and it's going to darken the ones that are already white, okay, not the one in your skin. All right, if you want your hair to be black, you have to consume food that contains, that helps you build up melanin on your skin, okay, and that is actually going to prevent the gray hair. All right, so if you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video, and then I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and stay flawlessly beautiful.